Hello, science buddy. Good morning. Welcome to your science class. Before we begin our periodic test review, let us warm up our mind with a quick and fun reviewer. Today, we will go through some easy level questions to help you recall what you learned. Are you ready? Let With the power of curiosity and light, let our minds prepare and think light. With the question easy, fun, and clear. Let's learning begin with nothing to fear. Now, open your mind and heart. The review question shall now start. Direction. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which of the following is used to see small objects clearly? A. Ruler. B. Hand lens. C. Scissors. D. Balloons. Number 2. Which materials is shiny and can be used to make jewelry? A. Wood. B. Gold. C. Plastic. D. Clay. Number 3. What science skills involve using your five senses to gather information? A. Measuring. B. Observing. C. Classifying. D. Inferring. Number 4. What tools is used to measure the length? A. Thermometer. B. Measuring cup. C. Ruler. D. Hand lens. Number 5. Which of the following is an example of solid material? A. Air. B. Oil. C. Stone. D. Water. Number 6. What does a centimeter measure? A. Heat. B. Time. C. Weight. D. Length. Number 7. Which of these questions show curiosity and a science activity? A. Can I go out? B. What will happen if I mix color? C. Where is my bag? D. What time is recess? Number 8. What happens to paper when you cut it into pieces? A. It disappears. B. It changes color. C. Its shapes changes. D. It becomes wet. Number 9. Why should we not burn plastic? A. It smells good. B. It's turned into gold. C. It's harmful to people and nature. D. It makes the air clean. Number 10. What property of a rubber band allows it to stretch? A. Hardness. B. Softness. C. Flexibility. D. Roughness. Number 11. Why do we recycle paper, plastic, and glass? A. To waste more materials. B. To protect the environment. C. To create more garbage. D. To throw them away. Number 12. How is a hand lens different from a ruler? A. It measures temperature. B. It cuts paper. C. It makes small objects look big. D. It keeps things clean. Number 13. You want to measure the height of your book. What will you use? A. Modeling clay. B. Ruler. C. Balloons. D. Cardboard. (14) Which of the following can be used to make a toy car? A. Iron and clay. B. Paper and wood. C. Plastic bottles and rubber. D. Oil and salt. Number 15. What is the best way to reuse of used paper at school? A. Burn it. B. Throw in the river. C. Recycle it. D. Leave on the ground. (16) A balloon was filled with air. What happened to its shape? A. It changed. B. It stayed the same. C. It melted. D. It turned into a solid. Number 17. What should you do before using any science tool? A. Ask question. B. Use it quickly. C. Throw it. D. Break it. (18) You saw your friend burning old plastic wrappers. What will you do to tell him? A. Good job. B. Do it every day. C. Let's stop. It's harmful. D. Can I join? (19) Which activity shows proper disposal of excess oil? A. Pouring it into sink. B. Throwing it on the street. C. Putting it into sealed garbage bag. D. Leaving it on the table. (20) Why do we reuse materials like bottles and cardboard? A. To make trash look pretty. B. To reduce pollution and waste. C. To sell them for money only. D. To play with them. (21) Which tools will you need to measure and observe a pencil? A. Ruler and hand lens. B. Scissors and balloon. C. Clay and cardboard. D. Thermometer and spoon. (22) Which change in solid makes it easier to use? A. Ignoring it. B. Melting it. C. Hammering it into shape. D. Throwing it away. (23) Which pair of materials have similar properties? A. Gold and silver. B. Clay and water. C. Wood and oil. D. Paper and iron. 24. Why is asking question is important during science activities? A. It helps us guess the answer without trying. B. It makes us finish activity faster. C. It helps us understand what we observe and learn more. D. It makes the activity harder. 25. What may happen if we burn household trash into open spaces? A. It makes the surroundings smell and better. B. It helps the soil grow plants faster. C. It pollutes the air and harm people and animals. D. It produces more useful materials. 26. What should you do if a classmate or your classmate keeps wasting materials during an activity? A. Tell others to ignore it. B. Quietly do nothing. C. Tell the teacher or politely remind them to save materials. And D. Waste more materials too. 27. Why is recycling glass jar better than throwing them away? A. It adds more trash to the landfill. B. It helps protect the environment by reusing materials. C. It helps them break easily. D. It uses more energy than making new ones. 28. You are using a ruler and a balloon in a science activity. Which of the following is a creative way to use them? A. Measure how long the balloon is when inflated. B. Pop the balloon using the ruler. C. Throw the balloons in the air. D. Use both as toys. 29. Which of the following is a good reminders about disposing trash at home? A. Throw everything in one big bag. B. Leave your trash outside the door. C. Sort your trash, reuse, recycle, and reuse waste. D. Burn plastics to remove them quickly. And last, you want to design a science tool using recycled materials. What is the best choice and use? A. Plastic spoon to eat food. B. Ruler made of cardboard to measure objects. C. A paper hat for fun. D. A rubber ball for playing. The answer have spoken. Our review is done. We've measured, observed, and had some fun. With knowledge now sharpened, spirit bright, we're ready for the test, our futures, and decide. Thank you for joining our review. I hope you get a high score for your periodic test. Please type your score at the comment box. Thank you and goodbye. See you next time.